Hi everyone, this is the day that we're here in Julian House. We're doing a production, and I have a chismis that happened last time, yesterday, because this, this one of these memories was so packable. It's so, I don't fucking care. Basta. Pero ikwento. Tapos, ito na nga, yung yesterday, when I was done in partying in other people, in phone party, it's so ill. When in the phone party, when I'm the center in the Patenya Square, it's so ill because ang lalangis, ang oily na ng katabi ko noon. And then, one guy has so funny face. I don't know him, and
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
then that happened so alty. And then when I'm gone there, I go to the SC for the change clothes to kasi basa. It's a wet. Then when I'm done, ayos, papaganda-ganda sana ako. But I changed my mind because my friend, poking ina nilang dalawang friend ko, they shout my name, Nyao, Rainiao, 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 putang ina, parang nag-echo sa in my ear, and then when say, Rainiao, and then I look at it, and then they kiss it, like, ew, they don't have a dignity. Walang, kumbaga, ang naging atake nun sa akin, walang respeto. Di man lang nila naisip na baka mainggit ako, ganyan.
Ano nainggit ka? Yan mo, malay mo, next year.
And then,
Ikaw naman
yeah.
pinapanood na may kahali ka.
But, gago.
Oh, nag-kiss kayo ni Celine kagabi.
Gago. And then,
Yes,
Kinikilig na, gago. Pag-focus, iniisip niya yung kiss nila ni Sil.
gago, hindi naman kami nag-kiss ni Selena.
Oh, nag-kiss kayo.
And then, yeah, that's all.
Wala na.
Ay, hindi.
Wala na, ano na.
Narinig talaga siya.
Gago, nagulat lang ako noon. Check the label muna kasi sis, before you kiss someone, check the label. Check ko nga. Oh my God, na-check ko yung self ko. Check the label. Yes, I'm single. Check. How about you? Oh my God. Check natin kung single siya. Single, check. May ka-something, check. Check the label. Where's the label nga ba? Nasa paanan kasi.
Ano nga ba meron?
Una halik muna. Una
Ano
naglatan.
pa muna?
Una kagatan. Check the label. Check the label. Check muna ang label. Bago,
Yan, umiyak na lang talaga.
bago muna kasi tayo manginggit sa kaibigan. Check the label. Where's the label? In my foot. Check the label. Kinupal kasi nila ako kahapon. Ang sakit. Bago ako matulog, naisip ko yun. Parang, naisip ko na, may kwenta pa ba ako sa mundo?
Wala lang, okay.
Ay, okay na ba? Okay, okay. That's all, guys. And, the future self.
The label.
Ah!
Check the label.
Yes, the future self is what?